Oh no. Oh no, I'm on that rod.
Is your line strong enough?
No.
Hey guys, welcome to Relax Fishing. This time Lennon is fishing off the local wharf, targeting some gurnards and snappers for dinner.
Running some bullet tuna for now.
Remember to tighten your drag before casting if you don't want to lose your finger.
That current line's looking real nice. Oh, nibbles already. This rod's pretty soft at the tip, so, and I'm running circle hooks, should set itself when the rod fully bends. No need to yank on anything like that.
Bite time when fishing from the harbour can be very short, so we always prepare spare rigs with bait on, ready for the fish.
Using some bullet tuna. Yep. Oh, small one. Yep. Small gurney. Maybe. Oh no. It's a baby snap. Little pickers. Good sign. At least they're coming back. Bye-bye.
Got it.
Popped on. Catch and release mid-water. Ready to cast again. No one's casting there. Seems like they're biting in the middle. Too far middle. Too far middle.
Oh, it's a good fight.
Feels good though, once you do catch nice fish on cheap rods. Just think about buying a warehouse hook rod. You know, if the light up reels. The kids' reels that lights up in rainbow. See what fish I can catch on that one. Got him. Feels heavy. Oh no. Feels heavy too. Feels good. Oh, snapper.
Oh, what a catch. What a catch.
Let's go. On the board.
Oh, way.
Check that out.
Oh, really? Who says not to like
Look.
bait spotting, eh?
The tail's hanging out. Look.
Oh,
What?
what's in his stomach, right? It just came out.
I know what I'm having for dinner tomorrow.
I like your idea of tying the bait like that. You waste no time.
Yes, sir. Gotta be prepared.
Pre-tied bait thing.
Yeah.
I've pre-tied rigs on baits.
Oh,
Just
really?
unclip,
Thanks,
clip the rig on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's even better.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm on that rod.
Is your line strong enough?
No.
You want me to catch it?
Yep.
Give me one this.
What can I do now? What can I
Is it the
do?
start?
Is he right? He's still on there. Is he? Might be gone. Oh. That's okay. Fun a stray line, eh? Yep.
You got it?
Come on.
Who knows?
I don't wanna say. If it's something red, I'm happy.
Red. We caught.
How'd you know, man? It's my favorite. And now. The fish are coming. Oh, nice. Beauty. Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
You deserve that one. Put a lot of work into it. He was there for a while, eh? Saw his bites earlier. Yeah, just a baby. What do you mean? I'm right-handed.
Oh, you hit me here.
So he's the one that drained fish. Oh!
Get that back. Good one, bro.
So spoiled. Gurney and snap for tea.
He's fit. Get a couple of nice foots out of there,
Surfing. Another one for dinner?
Yeah, thanks.
Feels like a snapper bite. He's on. Oh, this baby. Did he just get off? Think so. Nice. Ooh. What do you think it is? Nice. I love the blue spots on them.
Beautiful. Perfectly hooked. Come on.
Nice.
Oh, you're
Double hookup. The pennies are here. Just when we thought they'll come too.
Snapper, double snapper.
Snapper! Let's go, bro.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Beautiful, man.
Wow. Nice.
Beautiful snap. At night?
At night time.
Beautiful.
Just us, nobody else here.
Alright guys, that is us for this fishing mission. Please give us a like and subscribe if you've enjoyed our content, and we'll see you on the next one.